Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome back to the Viral Class, your trusted destination for easy and effective learning. In today's video, we are diving into the summary of the chapter The Last Lesson from Class 12th English. This powerful story, written by Alphonse Daudet, teaches us the importance of language, patriotism, and the value of education. If you're preparing for your board exams, make sure to watch till the end. This summary will help you understand the chapter clearly and score better in your exams. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's begin learning with the Viral Class. तो पहले हम पैराग्राफ को अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद उसका समरी समझेंगे. Before we understand the story, let's first learn a little about the author and the historical background. The author of this story is Alphonse Daudet. He was a well-known French novelist and short story writer who lived between 1840 and 1897. His stories often reflect deep emotions, patriotism, and the realities of life in France during difficult times. The Last Lesson is set during the Franco-Prussian War, which took place from 1870 to 1871. In this war, France was defeated by Prussia. At that time, Prussia included areas that are now part of Germany, Poland, and Austria. As a result of this war, the French territories of Alsace and Lorraine were taken over by the Prussians. This had a big impact on the people living there, especially on their language, education, and sense of identity. Now, this story takes us into a school in Alsace on the day when French is being taught for the last time. It shows how the war affected the everyday lives of students and teachers, and how something as simple as a language can mean so much when it's about to be taken away. So let's now dive into this emotional and thought-provoking chapter, The Last Lesson. I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of a scolding, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participles, and I did not know the first word about them. For a moment I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. It was so warm, so bright. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, and in the open field back of the sawmill the Prussian soldiers were drilling. It was all much more tempting than the rule for participles, but I had the strength to resist, and hurried off to school. चलिए अब द लास्ट लेसन कहानी की शुरुआत को समझते हैं. कहानी के नैरेटर यानी लेखक, जिसका नाम फ्रांस है, उस दिन स्कूल के लिए बहुत देर से निकला. वह बहुत डरा हुआ था, क्योंकि उसके अध्यापक एम. हमेल ने कहा था कि आज वह पार्टिसिपल्स, क्रिया विशेषणों, पर सवाल पूछेंगे. और फ्रांस को पार्टिसिपल्स के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था. एक पल के लिए उसने सोचा कि क्यों न स्कूल से भाग जाए और सारा दिन बाहर घूमता रहे. मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, धूप निकली थी, चिड़िया चहचहा रही थी, और पास के मैदान में प्रशियन सैनिक अभ्यास कर रहे थे. यह सब पार्टिसिपल्स पढ़ने से कहीं ज्यादा आकर्षक लग रहा था. लेकिन फिर भी उसने अपने मन को रोका और स्कूल की ओर जल्दी से चल पड़ा. इस हिस्से से हमें पता चलता है कि फ्रांस एक आम छात्र की तरह था, जो पढ़ाई को गंभीरता से नहीं लेता था, जब तक कि कोई बड़ा बदलाव सामने न आ जाए. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. अगली क्लास में हम आगे के पैराग्राफ के समरी को समझेंगे और उसके ऊपर पूछे जाने वाले सवालों को भी डिस्कस करेंगे. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Viral Class on YouTube and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. And if you're watching this on Facebook, make sure to like, follow, and share this video with your friends who want to learn English too. Keep practicing, keep improving, because your English journey starts here.